Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a double Chanel unboxing to share with you. So you can see there's one box and there's the other. So these items are both from the new collection, 21P. I don't know about you guys, but I love this collection. I can't remember the last time there was a collection where there were so many items that I really liked. Yeah, my 2021 wish list kind of went out the window once I saw 21P because there were more items on in the collection than I was able to put on my wish list. So anyway, neither of these items are actually on my wish list in this exact form. So I'll tell you what I'll kind of tell you what I mean once I open the items. I'm going to stop rambling now and open them. So this one I did open already. It came 2 days ago and I wanted to make sure they fit. So then I just put them back in the box until I was able to film the video. Once the second item came, I wanted to just do them both in one video. So let me open these. As you can tell, it is a pair of boots. As you can tell from the box. So, dust bags and care booklet. And here are the boots. So these are I think they call them mid-calf boots, and they come in black and this brown color. And I did have a pair of the black classic boots on my wish list for this year, but I figured that I would get these instead. I don't even know if I'd be able to find those classic ones this year anyway, and I already do have my black ones with the pearls that I got from Fashionphile recently, so I thought this would be a good option. I really love the color and I love the quilted detailing on the inside. I also like that they aren't heavily branded or logoed. Like the only logo you can really see on the outside of the boot is just this one here. It's pretty subtle. There's no logo on the toe or anything or on the heel, which I like. Or I guess there's a little one on the zipper pull, but that's on the inside. So I did try them on and they fit. I got my usual size, which is a size 38. So let's take the other one out quickly. Yeah, so that is what they look like. I am really happy to get these. They're just such a pretty color, and I think they will look good with the next item, which is a bag. So let me put these to the side here. Get that out of the way. All right, so this one is a true unboxing. I'm so excited. I've been waiting all day for this delivery. So this one, the boots were purchased from one of my local Chanel boutiques. This one I knew would be really hard to find from the boutique because we just get such little inventory here in Canada. So I did reach out to my favorite personal shoppers, Dear Luxe. I will put their Instagram down below. And literally within hours, they had sourced one for me. So I highly, highly recommend Dear Luxe. This is the second bag I've purchased from them, and shipping was really fast. They are super responsive, respond to DMs really quickly, so highly recommend them. Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. I am so excited for this. It will obviously be my first time seeing it in person. You might be able to guess what it is. It's a pretty sought after item this season. So that's the Dear Luxe logo. And this, they sourced directly from the boutique, brand new, obviously, because this is a brand new bag from 21P. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see this color in person. Oh, and there's a little note, so I'm gonna just take that. Okay, so that's a nice little note, thank you. Okay, here you can see a little peek of it. Oh my gosh, and their packaging is amazing. I had already taken it off, but it was really nicely wrapped in bubble wrap, and their packaging is always amazing. Oh wow, and look at all of the tissue here. Okay, so you can see that the color is, well, Chanel calls it brown, but everyone online seems to be calling it caramel. And I got it in the Chanel 19 style. Oh my gosh, the color is amazing. It is coming up a little bit different on camera, unfortunately. I'll see if I can get it to come up truer. Let me get this all unwrapped. So originally I had the Chanel 19 tie-dye, the purple and turquoise tie-dye one on my wish list. I don't know yet if I will get that too. We'll have to see. But this, when I saw this color, I knew I had to have it in my collection. I just love it. I can see why so many people want it, and it actually came in several styles. This collection, I'm sure you guys know, it came in classic, the classic flaps. However, my classic flaps, my medium, large, and my jumbo are my least used bags. I don't plan on buying another medium, large, or jumbo. So it also came in a cocoa handle, which I have enough cocoa handles in my collection, and a business affinity, which I don't have, but I have two 19s already and love the 19 style. It just works for me. So that's why I chose the 19. And I just think it looks really beautiful in the 19 leather. So the 19 is in lambskin this season, and the lambskin on the 19s is actually different from on the classic flaps. It's more durable. I talk about that in a video where I'm comparing the goatskin and the lambskin 19s, and my other lambskin 19 excuse me, has held up really, really well. So yeah, this, oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. The leather on it is just amazing. I originally wanted it in the medium size because I already have my black and my turquoise small 19s, but when they found me this one in the size small, I couldn't say no. I just knew it was going to be such a hard bag to find, and I did not want to lose out on it. And I know that the small works for me. Like, I love this size. So the medium I've never actually owned. So there's the receipt. And the inside is like the same kind of tone as the leather. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I'm so happy. Thank you, Dear Luxe, so much for this. I am just thrilled. Okay, the authenticity card is in here with the receipt. Oh wow, it's a 31 series. We're on 31 now. I didn't even realize that. Okay. Oh, I'm so thrilled. Okay, so I did want to just show you quickly a comparison of this with a couple of colors that are probably really familiar to you. So up next to the Hermes Gold, it is similar, but not exactly the same. Definitely in the same color family. And then just up to Louis Vuitton monogram and reverse monogram, just to give you an idea there. So it's definitely quite different from the reverse monogram. And I want to compare it to my boots, which are from the same season. I know that they're a little bit different, but yeah, they're a little different, but I think they'll still work really well together. I think that'll, yeah, I think that I can definitely wear these together for sure. And it'll also work with the gold bag too. And I think that it's actually really similar to the sweater I'm wearing. Yeah, it is. Okay, I think this video has gone on long enough. Those are my two purchases from 21p so far. Yet to be seen if I'm going to get anything else from 21p. I'm not sure. There are a few other items that I like, but this collection is really, I think there's a really high demand for it. And yeah, here in Toronto, they do not get many of each piece, so we'll see. But yeah, let me know what you think. What do you think of this color and the boots? And is there anything from 21p that caught your eye or that you are getting or want to get? Yeah, let me know. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much again, and have a great day.